What's up? I posted a couple videos testing the waterproofing of cracked phones. The first one, I take a damaged Note 8, smash it a bunch of times, and put it in the water, and do a few very aggressive water tests. Second one, I take a different damaged Note 8, put it in the water for 2 hours. Both cases, there was no additional damage. Before I get into what happened with Asurion, let's briefly discuss what actually makes water-resistant phones water-resistant. Instead of the internal components now being waterproof, the phone is now completely sealed off, so water can't get in. However, the longer you have the phone, the more damaged the phone is, and the more wear and tear the phone has, the more susceptible it becomes to water damage. Obviously, they do a pretty good job. This has one very big Achilles heel. If you open up your phone for whatever reason, it breaks the seal and your phone's no longer waterproof. Replace the battery, repair the phone, replace the screen. Your phone is no longer water resistant. Which brings me to Asurion. I had an S7 Edge, went swimming with the phone all the time. Had it under the water, would constantly mess with people who didn't know it was waterproof by washing my phone in the sink, dropped the phone, cracked the screen, got a replacement from Asurion. Same day I got it, I put it in the water for literally a second, right? Just messing with a friend who didn't know the phone was water resistant, but turns out it wasn't, like at all. Literally a second of putting the phone in water, it was completely broken. Screen off, never turned back on, just completely gone. But honestly, I didn't really care. They sent me a defective device, so obviously they just replace it. So I called them. So I just received a replacement device from you guys, and yeah, it's defective, so just wanted to go ahead and return that and get a new phone.
So sorry to hear you received a defective device.
No, it's all good. I just wanted to get a new phone, a new device shipped out as soon as possible.
Absolutely. So what exactly seems to be the issue that you're having with the phone?
Yeah, so I got the device, everything worked, put it in the water, and yeah, then it just broke. Like, doesn't even turn on now.
Oh wow. So your phone has water damage.
Yeah, water damage. After I put it in the water, it just completely didn't work anymore.
Okay, well I can definitely help you submit a new claim.
No new claim. I already submitted the claim. Yeah, I submitted the claim. The claim's been filed. No new claim. I already submitted the claim. Got the replacement device. Put it in the water, and yeah, now it's broken. Yeah, I just wanted to get a new phone.
If the phone has water damage, you're going to have to submit a new claim since water damage is not covered under Asurion's policies.
Oh, no, it's a waterproof phone. Yeah, the phone's waterproof. It's completely waterproof. It's a waterproof phone meant to go in the water. I put it in the water. And it broke. So yeah, the device itself that I received from you guys, the device is defective.
No, sir. I think you mean to say water resistant. And this feature is usable only at the owner's risk. Waterproofing is not guaranteed, and any type of water damage, of course, isn't covered by Asurion. We'll have to proceed with a new claim and process another deductible.
Is there like another, can I speak to the manager? Didn't help either. I don't know if Asurion's replacing devices with used and refurbished ones, or if they're giving fake phones. I mean, unlikely, but I guess it's possible. The purpose of this video is a follow-up from my last 2 videos on the topic. Never trust replacement devices in the water. Also, regardless of the condition of your phone, always have your information backed up before you put it in the water, because there's always the chance you'll lose it forever. A very small chance, but I mean, you know. Also, the water resistance of your phone is not guaranteed. So even if you buy a new device from an authorized store and it sustains water damage, you're not getting reimbursed for that. So you have to buy a brand new device or pay an insurance deductible. Or like in my case, I had to pay 2 insurance deductibles, which was annoying, but not the end of the world. So I'd also definitely recommend getting your phone insured if you're putting it in the water. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to check out my other videos that I make, I make other types of videos where you could learn stuff, and or you know, you could also like be entertained and see something entertaining. That's cool if you watch Oh yeah, no, it's a waterproof phone.